how's it going? Laser here, and in today's video we'll be unboxing probably one of the biggest surprises in terms of gaming mice in 2022, the Lamzu Atlantis. Lamzu Atlantis had a lot of good reviews from various tech reviewers, mice reviewers, so I was very curious to try it out for myself, and here it is. Let's pop open the box and see what's inside. So as you can see, the box is quite interesting. It has like this double compartment. One of the compartments is used to store the additional accessories, and there's quite a few of them. We get additional set of gliders, we get the rubberized grips in orange color. We also get a standard stuff like the charging cable and the USB extender. So yeah, Lamzu gives you quite a lot in one box, which is really nice of them, of course. Especially the additional set of gliders will help your mouse last that much longer without spending any additional money. Okay, when it comes to the mouse itself, as you can see, it's an ambidextrous shape, very similar in terms of design and the aesthetics to G Pro Superlight, which I really love and have been using for well over a year now. But I think the mouse is just slightly more tuned to the more modern standards when the front is just slightly lower. Your fingertips, when you rest it on the buttons, they are like much lower, and this is like catering to the enthusiast level gamers. The mouse color is not really a true black, it's a charcoal, so it leans more towards washed out black. And let me just compare it quickly with a G Pro Superlight, which is a standard black color. As you can see, the black on the Superlight is just much deeper. I don't think it really matters. I still like the color of the Atlantis, but I guess it's just worth noting. I think the most interesting part of the mouse is the bottom, because as you can see, there is a lot of cutouts in the shape of a butterfly. I don't know if it's intentional or not, but it looks quite funny. I'm a bit worried what will happen when the debris gets inside of the mouse, but we'll see over time. I'm definitely going to do a long-term review of this mouse, so subscribe if you want to see how it performs over longer periods. And the first impressions are quite good. I don't hear any creaking. I don't think that there should be any issues with the build quality. The mouse seems stiff. The buttons are really well balanced. They're really clicky. It goes for the side buttons, but it also goes for the main buttons and for the scroll wheel. No issues here. I am a bit worried about the coating of the mouse, because it seems like it's a total fingerprint magnet, and you can already see, I just touched it a couple of times and I can see already the fingerprints appearing. I just hope it won't get too slippery and too shiny very quickly. That's just the only remark here in terms of build quality. Okay, let's get back to the other additional stuff that we get from Lamzu. So we get a set of rubberized grips, which you can attach to the mouse. I wish they were in different color, but I guess you can't complain on a freebie like that. And also you get a set of additional gliders. In case the main ones, the factory installed ones, get damaged, they get used up, you can just replace them. You already have a set available. There's also smaller gliders which you can attach to the buttons, I believe. The charging cable, USB-C, very nice. It also has an angle connector, which should help you play when the mouse is charging, which is really great. I really like the idea. Of course, the main advantage of the mouse is playing it on wireless, especially when combined with the 55 grams, which this mouse weighs. And apart from that, you also get a carrying bag. Nice addition if you're traveling a lot, will help you prevent the mouse from getting any damage, any scuffs, any scratches, and so on. And also an extender in case your PC is somewhere under your desk or further away. You can just put the extender on your desk and have no issues with the wireless. I'm also curious how the wireless will perform. This is, after all, a more niche brand, I guess, than the Logitech or Razer, so I'm really curious on the overall performance of the mouse, and I'm definitely going to share it with you in the review, so remember to subscribe to stay notified when the review is up. I'll need a couple of days to get used to the mouse and test it in various scenarios and games and so on. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.